Hi friends, this is Shilpa from Mystic Vision by Shilpa, and I am going to unbox the 8 Coins Tattoo Tarot by Lana Zellner. This has come to me in a beautiful packed box, a really big one, and very sturdy the box is. Yes, now I'm going to unbox it for all of you. Okay, this opens up like this. Wow, what a sturdy box. It is taking me some time. Beautiful. This has come. Wow. This has come with a spreadsheet, like, for a rose spread. This is called a rose spread. Wow, beautiful. Feeling so happy and excited. Beautiful, thick book. Lovely. I'm loving it. And the deck. Yes. This is the back side of the deck. Ooh. 9 of Wands. Beautiful. Yes, I did get worried a bit. Why do I have a black and white? But yes, this is 9 of Wands, which is black and white. This is 3 of Cups. This is the Star card. Beautiful, isn't it? This is 10 of Pentacles. This is 5 of Pentacles. Wow. The Empress card. Beautiful. 8 of Pentacles. This is Ace of Wands. This is Ace of Swords, guys. Lovely. This is 10 of Wands. 2 of Swords. King of Wands. The Devil card. This is 10 of Swords, guys. Just look how this card shows the swords are being pierced in the person's face and eyes. Wow. And hands. My gosh. This is Knight of Swords. Temperance card. Beautiful. Beautiful. Queen of Pentacles. This is the Strength card. This is 9 of Cups. Isn't it so pretty? This is 8 of Cups. So different. Page of Pentacles. A Death card, guys. Beautiful. Judgment. 2 of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. 9 of Swords. The Moon card. Look at the different phases of moon which is shown on this with a scorpion. This is 6 of Cups. How pretty is this? The roses. Magician card. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Wands. This is Eight of Wands. The Fool card. So different depiction in this, right? Four of Wands. This is Five of Swords. Sorry, Six of Swords. Sorry, Six of Swords. Beautiful. Seven of Cups. Nine of Cups. This is the Justice card. Justice. This is the Chariot. Queen of Swords. Five of Cups. Beautiful depiction. Beautiful. Seven of Wands. Piercing. Yes. Two of Wands. This is Five of Swords. Two of Cups. Wheel of Fortune, guys. Just see how pretty can this get. Wow. Page of Swords. Tower card, guys. Just look at this beauty. Page of Wands. This is Eight of Swords. The Sun card. Happy, happy Sun card with sunflowers. Beautiful. Queen of Wands. Four of Cups. Just see the illusion, delusion. Wow, beautiful. The Lovers. The Hierophant. Page of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Seven of Swords. Four of Pentacles. This is the Knight of Cups, guys. King of Cups. The Emperor. Three of Swords. This is Four of Swords. Three of Wands. Ace of Cups. Nine of Pentacles. The High Priestess. Beautiful depiction. World card. The Hermit. Seven of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Five of Wands. King of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. King of Swords. Six of Wands. The Hanged Man. Wow. Beautiful. Nine of Wands. The Star card. Ten of Cups. Guys, a beautiful tarot deck. This is the back side. This is the front. Yes, beautiful cards. Yes, guys, so this was the 8 coins tattoo tarot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.